Akshay Kumar and Bhumi Pednekar starrer Toilet Ek Prem Katha has already become an eye-opener for lakhs of people, as Akshay Kumar brought cleaners of BMC who are always on the rounds at the CST and other public places where they catch the public actually not using the toilet and have to find them. Akshay shared astounding numbers of people who have already been fined and how the film and its sanitary message is spreading.
I just want to say कि एक ही चीज कि हमें अपने घर को जितना साफ रखना है, मैं कहता हूं कि अगर जस्ट इमेजिन कि हर मुंबईकर अपने ये सोच ले कि मैंने अपने घर को साफ रखना और उसके आजू बाजू का करीबन 100 मीटर का जगह को अगर मैं साफ रखने की कोशिश करूं, सो अपने आप ही सब कुछ साफ होना शुरू हो जाएगा. इफ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ माइंडसेट कम्स, so I think we all can work towards it. We don't have to wait for the cleanup marshals coming there and trying to tell us. I wish this could happen, and I hope so this can happen between us, that we can try and keep our own area a little bit, चाहे 100 मीटर ना करें, 50 मीटर ही कर लें, लेकिन अपने आजू बाजू का एरिया साफ रखें. So that could have been a much better help.
The interesting point was when the cast of the film all sat on toilet form chairs, as Bhumi Pednekar and Anupam Kher, Divyendu Sharma also attended the promotions, and each shared the same message of personal privacy and the importance of toilets.
यूपी साइड में शूट कर रहा था तो उनकी मतलब बिलीफ है कुछ लोगों की वहाँ कि जहाँ खाना खाते हैं पकाते हैं तो वहाँ नहीं करना चाहिए. तो मैं बोला जहाँ उगता है वहाँ करना चाहिए. ये समझ में नहीं आई बात. तो so at the end of the day it is just a small little contribution to make India clean.
I come from a home where for 19 years we went to a toilet even though it had walls and roof, where 2 ईंटें यहाँ होती थी, 2 ईंटें यहाँ होती थी और नीचे एक ट्रे होती थी, और उस ट्रे में everybody used to go and shit, 10-14 members of the society, of the family. So one has seen all this, one has felt it all this, and one has smelt it also all this. So one feels for this. It may appear for us a very simple problem, that open defecation. I think there are a lot of ladies over here. Even to go to a toilet, अगर उसकी कुंडी अंदर से ना लगी हो तो आप 2 दोस्तों को बाहर बिठाते हैं. I think you need to think about all the women all over the country who have no possibility of a privacy. It's an assault on privacy also. So I think this is a great idea that all 4 of us are sitting on this. It's a symbol. I think actors' job is also to make people aware of what is happening. And if we succeed in that, I think this film will reach its 500 crores in terms of value and hopefully in terms of money also. I think it's an initiative which an actor like Akshay Kumar has taken over. Usually this kind of a subject is taken over by the art cinema people. This is the first time somebody like him has done it, and I think we should all applaud it for the kind of work that he has done.
I feel I'm extremely lucky because बहुत कम मौके आते हैं एक करियर में जहाँ पे आपको ऐसी फिल्मों का हिस्सा होने का चांस मिलता है. And I think the kind of person I am, I've grown up in a very socially aware environment. From a very young age, we were taught our responsibilities towards our society and our country. So I think naturally I have an affinity to choose films that are entertaining but at the same time have some sort of a message, leave some sort of an impact on the society. So I just want to thank the makers of the film and taking me in it.
Treat to work with sir, and like you said, मेरा जो सबसे बड़ा ऑब्जेक्टिव था वो यही था कि स्क्रीन पे वी शुड लुक लाइक ब्रदर्स. वो एक केमिस्ट्री रहे जिसमें इनिशियली मुझे पता नहीं था कि सर के साथ कभी काम नहीं किया था, बट ही इज सच अ ट्रीट टू वर्क विद. हर सीन में मोस्टली हम लोग इम्प्रोवाइज करते थे, एंड I think you can see that chemistry on screen also. So yeah, it was really, really fun to work with him.
And also other public problems like potholes, etc. in and around Mumbai with the recent RJ Malishka case.
I think potholes have been going on for the last 35 years that I have been staying here. Every time there is a rain happens, we need to change that. Every action that something like this happens is an initiative towards goodness. You see, we need to change things rather than constantly point out. There's a very wonderful dialogue in the film. If you change nothing, nothing will change.
आप ही का dialogue.
Thank you. मैंने ट्रेलर में देखा नहीं तो मुझे लगा मैं बोल देता हूँ. No, I think if you change. So the point is, my point is that I'm an eternal optimist. I believe in doing things rather than only thinking and pointing out the mistakes. I think this film is a great initiative on that level. This film, I think, if what has happened is today, in few years, we are aware of somebody, if he throws, he gets at least 5-6 dirty looks from people, passers-by. They may not do anything about it, but you are pointed out as a person who is not doing something right. So, yeah, I think that is. This is, let's talk about this film. I think whatever Malishka did, I'm sure she must have done something very interesting and very good also.
Toilet Ek Prem Katha is a film for the masses and should be a must watch for all.